Ublalotak, Kanuik Pizzy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others. And let's be respectful with everyone, including ourselves. It's time for a flashback. Nearly 2 weeks ago, in a previous assembly, Ginger talked about 3 parts of the brain. Now, can anyone remember what these 3 parts were? Here's the picture of the brain Ginger showed from a few weeks ago. Can you name the 3 parts? That's right. That front part is known as the prefrontal cortex. Now, I just outlined a part in red. Can you remember what that's called? That's right. That's the amygdala. And finally, I outlined the last part in green. Can anyone remember what the name of that part is? That's right. That's the hippocampus. Those are the 3 parts Ginger talked about: the prefrontal cortex, the amygdala, and the hippocampus. Now, you may be wondering, why are we talking about these 3 parts of the brain again? Well, today we're going to talk about the triune brain theory. The triune brain theory places an emphasis on 3 key brain regions consisting of the reptilian brain, also known as the brainstem, the limbic system, and the neocortex. Our reptilian brain, which again is the brainstem, is responsible for our survival instincts and our independent body processes such as breathing. Our limbic system, or kind of the midbrain, is often referred to as the emotional brain and is responsible for processing not only our emotions but conveying sensory information. This is where we find parts of the brain such as the hippocampus and the amygdala. And finally, we have the neocortex, which includes parts like the prefrontal cortex and the cerebral cortex, which is a structure that can be found in certain mammals and humans. This part of the brain is responsible for language abstraction, planning, and perception. As we enter into a fight, flight, freeze, or flop response, these different parts of the brain react in different ways. Tomorrow, we'll dive deeper into this and look at the top-down process and how it connects to these responses that are triggered as we enter into events of trauma. For now, I want to give a special reminder to all the students who are participating in sports right now and who will participate in the future, especially those in grades 6 through 12 who have to think about their 4-week eligibility. Remember, every 4 weeks, you need to have no Fs, a 2.0 GPA, which usually means at least Cs, and 80% attendance in order to participate in sport activity trips. The next eligibility check for 4 weeks is 11/14. That's less than 2 weeks away. The next 4-week eligibility check after that is December 16th, which is also the end of the second quarter. High school basketball practice should start around December 5th, and potential first high school basketball games could be that first week of January. This means the grades and attendance you earn by the end of this quarter will impact you for that first month of January and for those first month of games. Now, the good news is there's 6 weeks left until the end of the quarter. This is plenty of time to apply yourself, get your grades up to where you need them to be, and put your best effort in. Whether you're playing sports or not, these next 6 weeks are a great time to give it your all. And if you find you need some help, don't be afraid to ask your teachers. Everyone's here to help you, and everyone wants to see every last student succeed. Thank you.